My name's Kathleen Pierce, and we had Ron redo our kitchen for the most part. We had all new cabinets, new fixtures, new sink. He redid all of the backsplash and some of the appliances and put in some new floating shelves for us. Ron with the Trust Company was really easy to work for. He just, from the first day he came out, he really listened to what we want. He took in our opinions and our style and made that work. He had some really good suggestions in areas that we weren't really sure about. He helped us pick out the countertops, referred us to a really awesome company. I was really nervous to start fresh in a new kitchen. I mean, trusting somebody to basically demo your kitchen and start from scratch. I was a little bit nervous. Like I said, when we first met Ron, I felt really comfortable with him. I felt like he listened and heard what we wanted. He really valued our opinion, and I think through the whole process, he communicated what was happening, what was going on. His timeline was really accurate, which was important to me. We were on a pretty short window for time, and he was able to stay within that for us and communicated the whole way through the process. So I felt like all of the employees that worked with Ron were really great too. Friendly, easy to have around. I mean, they're in your kitchen all day, you know, kind of hanging out with us. And so that was comfortable, and they worked really hard and worked with our schedule, and whatever we needed, they were able to accommodate that. I love it. I love it. It's beyond what I even dreamed of. I was really hoping that I would love it, and it's even better than I imagined. I love all of the pieces, all the finished touch that Ron did, that he helped us with. There was a couple parts of the kitchen I wasn't sure how I wanted to configure some of the shelving, and he was able to suggest a couple ideas, and I really love what we went with. So it's beautiful. We really love it.